I've been doing this tile job here. Maybe you guys want to see what I'm doing. I don't know, maybe you don't care. But here's tile countertops. I put in this whole kitchen, had to rip out all the old cabinets. The other guys are doing a remodel. They ripped it all out, fixed the floor, and then I built in all these cabinets. These are just Home Depot or Lowe's cabinets. It's what the guy that owns this property, this is going to be a rental house. He bought them. I installed them. This is probably the 4th house that I've done for him. I did the complete remodels in some of the other ones. But this time I'm just doing tile, just doing the cabinets. The other guys have done most of this house. This was an old house built in the, I don't know, it was probably built in the 40s. So it was lath and plaster. So all these are solid concrete walls. So this was a closet, and the guy plumber put in a toilet or a tub here, and then I tiled all this, put ceramic tile in there. So I did that. It still has some trim work to be done, but all right, me here's a 52-year-old. I'm trying to figure out how to operate this gimbal camera here. I don't know why this seems to be beyond me, but anyways, so there's that one. And then there's a bedroom. It's getting pretty close. There's a bathroom, which I didn't do any work in there. Bedroom, they already got some homeowners here, and he's already brought some beds, so he's gonna be ready to have this place rented, and he hopes soon. So, and then I did this shower. It's a great big old huge shower. It's like 5.5 by almost 6 foot wide, stand up with 2 shower heads. These big old gigantic 2 foot by 4 foot tall tiles in there. The niche, and there's dual shower heads, one on this side, one over there on that side, and all hand laid. This was dry packed, so that has about 2.5 inches of concrete. I dry packed it in there, and I built all the slope down to make this. You can't buy these pre-made pans that are this big, so they all have to be dry packed. Plus then it gives you a nice, you can use tile or whatever, but this is just what I'm doing. Been doing this work for a long time. Whole house remodels and everything in between, but I kind of stopped doing the remodel part. It's just too hard dealing with employees and stuff. This room out here, it's getting ceramic tile too. It's going to be a little while before they're ready for that. They'll have to have this cleaned out, but I'll be putting ceramic tile in this whole room. And that's about the end of this project for me. Out here is still lots of junk outside. It's a block house. It's going to get stuccoed, and I'm just getting ready to cut some tiles. Here's my saw. So I'll be using this, cutting some tile here in a little bit. Finishing the trim. You know, one thing that it's always such a pain in the butt about doing this work is I have a crew cab truck, right? My back seat perpetually looks like this. It's full of tools. It's full of stuff, coats, always working in cold weather and outside, and it's just a work truck, but man, it's got a lot of miles. I got 328,000 miles on that truck right there. It's got lifter issues. It's got an exhaust leak. I got to change the exhaust manifold, and oh man, I get tired of doing this stuff though sometimes. So makes me think about not doing it anymore, honestly, but it's pretty rewarding to do this and to see the finish and see how things turn out. But I don't know. Well, I need to get back to it. Just thought I'd show you a little bit. Bye-bye.